Hi, this is Teacher Nicole at Literacy Pittsburgh. This video is for Citizenship class. How are you today? I'm good, thank you. Okay, we're talking about the Declaration of Independence. The Declaration of Independence. Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence. Thomas Jefferson wrote the Declaration of Independence. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. The Declaration of Independence declared our independence. A lot of big words. The Declaration of Independence declared our independence. Let's look again. The Declaration of Independence declared our independence. What did the Declaration of Independence do? Declared our independence. Declared our independence. Good. Life and liberty are two rights in the Declaration of Independence. Life and liberty are two rights in the Declaration of Independence. What are two rights in the Declaration of Independence? Life and liberty. The Declaration of Independence was adopted on July 4th, 1776. The Declaration of Independence was adopted on July 4th, 1776. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? July 4th, 1776. Let's talk about colonies. Colonies. Remember before we talked about colonies are places. Colonies are places. The 13 colonies became the first 13 states. Okay. Before independence, we had colonies. After independence, after July 4th, 1776, we have states. Okay. Before 1776, colonies. After 1776, states. Let's look at the 13 original colonies. Okay. First 13 states, the same. 13 original colonies, First 13 states, the same. Okay, let's read them. Number 1, Massachusetts. Number 2, New Hampshire. Number 3, New York. Number 4, Connecticut. Number 5, Rhode Island. Number 6, New Jersey. Number 7, Pennsylvania. Number 8, Maryland. Number 9, Virginia. Number 10, Delaware. Number 11, North Carolina. Number 12, South Carolina. Number 13, Georgia. Okay. These are the first 13 states. The first 13 states. There were 13 original states. Name 3. New York, Pennsylvania, Delaware. New York, Pennsylvania, Delaware. Delaware was the first state. Delaware was the first state. What was the first state? Delaware. Tell me about this picture. Who is this? Who is this? Did you see this man before? George Washington. George Washington. Very famous. George Washington was the first president. George Washington was the first president. Who was the first president? George Washington. George Washington was the father of our country. George Washington was the father of our country. Who is the father of our country? George Washington. Money. Washington is on the dollar bill. Washington is on the dollar bill. Okay, see the picture? George Washington. $1 bill. Washington is on the dollar bill. Who is on the dollar bill? Washington. Let's practice some civics questions. Why does the flag have 13 stripes? Because there were 13 original colonies. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? July 4th, 1776. What did the Declaration of Independence do? Declared our independence. What are two rights in the Declaration of Independence? Life and liberty. There were 13 original states. Name three. Pennsylvania, New York, and Delaware. Who is the father of our country? George Washington. Who was the first president? George Washington. Now let's practice writing. Let's practice writing. You can write your sentences and take a picture. Send them to me. Are you ready? Independence Day is in July. Independence Day is in July. How many words? Independence Day is in July. 5 words. Okay, you will write 5 words. Independence Day is in July. Independence. I-N-D-E-P E-N-D-E-N-C-E. Independence. Day. D-A-Y. Independence Day is I-S in I-N July July July. Independence Day is in July. Washington was the first president. Washington was the first president. Okay. How many words? Washington was the first president. 5 words. You will write 5 words. Washington was the first president. Washington. 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 Was the first president. First. 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 Washington was the first president. Washington is on the dollar bill. Washington is on the dollar bill. How many words? Washington is on the dollar bill. 6 words. 6 words. Washington is on the dollar bill. You will write 6 words. Washington is on the dollar bill. Washington. 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 Is is on on the the dollar dollar bill bill. Washington is on the dollar bill. Washington is the father of our country. Washington is the father of our country. How many words? Washington is the father of our country. 7 words. 7 words. Washington is the father of our country. Washington. Washington. Is. Is. The. The. Father. Father. Of. Of. Our. Our. Country. Country. Washington is the father of our country. Delaware was the first state. Okay, we did this before. How many words? Delaware was the first state. 5 words. You will write 5 words. Delaware was the first state. Delaware. Delaware. Was. Was. The. The. First. First. State. State. Delaware was the first state. Okay. Take a picture of your sentences and send them to me. Now let's practice reading. Who was the first president? Who was the first president? When is Independence Day? When is Independence Day? is on the dollar bill? Who is on the dollar bill? What was the first state? What was the first state? Who is the father of our country? Who is the father of our country? We are finished today. Finished talking about the Declaration of Independence. Finished talking about colonies. Okay. Have a nice day.